गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे फिश क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एल्गी। F.E. Frisch 1935-1945. In his book he given the classification of algae. His book named The Structure and Reproduction of the Algae, यानी कि इन्होंने जो पुस्तक लिखी थी रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एल्गी, उसके अंतर्गत इन्होंने एक क्लासिफिकेशन को प्रपोज किया, यानी कि एल्गीज का एक वर्गीकरण दिया। ही प्रपोज्ड अ सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एल्गी। ही ट्रीटेड एल्गी गिविंग रैंक ऑफ डिवीज़न एंड डिवाइडेड इनटू 11 क्लासेस। उन्होंने शैवालों को 11 क्लासेस में डिवाइड किया। His classification of algae is mainly based upon characters of pigments, flagella and reserve food material. उन्होंने जो वर्गीकरण दिया वह मुख्य रूप से आधारित था शैवालों में पाए जाने वाले वर्णक, कशाबिका एवं संचित खाद्य पदार्थों के आधार पर। 11 classes proposed by Frisch are as follows. Chlorophyceae, second is Xanthophyceae, next Chrysophyceae, fourth Basilariosphaceae, fifth Cryptophyceae, sixth Dinophyceae, seven Chloromonadinae, eight Euglenidae, nine Phaeophyceae, 10 Rhodophyceae and 11 Mixophyceae. Algae possess diverse characters in their nature of reserve food, nature of cilia, etc. According to these morphological, physiological differences, they are classified by many peoples. शैवालों में की जो संचित खाद्य पदार्थ और उनमें पाए जाने वर्णकों और कशाबिकाओं के आधार पर और इनकी आकारिकीय एवं शारीरिक संरचना या डिफरेंसेस के आधार पर इन्हें अलग अलग लोगों द्वारा वर्गीकृत किया गया। Frisch in 1935 he classified the whole of the algae into 11 classes on the basis of type of pigments, nature of reserve food material, mode of reproduction, etc. They are Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilariosphaceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonadinae, Euglenidae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Mixophyceae, which is also called Cyanophyceae. The classification is published in his book titled The Structure and Reproduction of Algae. Class Chlorophyceae. फर्स्ट क्लास जो थी वो थी क्लोरोफाइसी, जिसके अंदर हम हरे शैवालों का अध्ययन करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉलवॉक, डेस्मोडेस्मस, डेस्मोटेट्रा, स्टेगोक्लोनियम, पेडिस्ट्रियम. Occurrence, most forms are fresh water and few are marines. क्लोरोफाइसी के मेंबर जो हैं ये फ्रेश वाटर है और कुछ एल्गी मरीन वाटर में पाई जाती हैं. चीफ पिगमेंट्स आर क्लोरोफिल A and B and carotenoids. Reserve food is starch. Structure: unicellular, motile to heterotrichous filamentous. Cell wall consists of cellulose. Pyrenoids are commonly surrounded by starch sheet. Motile cells have equal flagella. Reproduction: sexual reproduction ranges from isogamous to advanced oogamous type. Example: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, chlorella. Next class is Xanthophyceae, which is yellow-green alga. Most forms of fresh water, but a few forms are marine. Pigments. Pigments is yellow xanthophyll, which is found abundantly in Xanthophycean members, so they show yellowish green color. Reserve food is oil. Structure: unicellular, motile to simple filamentous. Cell wall rich in pactic compounds and composed of two equal pieces of overlapping at their edges. Motile cells have two very unequal flagella. Pyrenoids absent. Sexual reproduction is rare and is always a isogamous type of reproduction. For example, Vaucheria. Class Chrysophyceae. Most forms occurs in cold fresh water, but few are marine. Pigments. Chromatophores are brown or orange colored. Phycochrysin serve as chief accessory pigments. Reserve food. Fat and leucocene. Structure. Plants are unicellular, motile to branched. Filamentous flagella are unequal, attached at front end. Cells commonly contain one or more two parietal chromatophores. Reproduction. Sexual reproduction seldom occurs but is also isogamous type. Next class is Basilariosphaeaceae, which contains diatoms. In all kind of fresh water they occur, sea, soil and terrestrial habitats. Pigments. Chromatophores are yellow or golden brown. Nature of accessory pigment is not very definite. Reserve food. Fat is volutin and fat. Structure. All the members are unicellular or colonial. Cell wall is partly composed of silica and partly of pactic substances. It consists of two halves and each has two or more pieces. Cell wall is richly ornamental. Reproduction. Forms are diploid. Sexual reproduction is a special type, occurs by fusion of protoplasm of the ordinary individual. Example, Pinularia. Class Cryptophyceae. Occurrence both in marine and fresh water, दोनों में पाए जाते हैं. Pigments. Chromatophores show diverse pigmentation. It may be some shades of brown. Chromatophores are usually parietal, यानी कि परिधि की ओर पाए जाते हैं chromatophores. Reserve food is solid carbohydrate or in some cases starch. Structure. Represented by motile cells, and most advanced form of cocoid flagella are slightly unequal. Reproduction isogamous in the reported cases, for example Chromosomonas. Class Dinophyceae. Occurrence. Plants occur widely as seawater planktons. A few may be freshwater forms. Pigments. Reserve food material is starch and oil, and pigments are chromatophores are dark yellow, brown, etc. and contain a special number of pigments. Structure. Plants are unicellular, motile to branched, filamentous. Reproduction. Sexual reproduction is of a isogamous type. It is rare and not very definite. Example, dinoflagellates. Seventh class, Chloromonadini. Occurrence. All plants are freshwater forms. Pigments. Chromatophores are bright green in color and contain an excess of xanthophyll. Reserve food is oil. Next is class 8, Euglene. Pigments are chromatophore and are pure green. Each cell has several chromatophores. Reserve food is polysaccharide and paramylon. Structure is motile flagellates, maybe one or two arising from the base of canal like invagination. Class 9 is Phaeophyceae, which is brown algae. Pigments are chlorophyll A, C, carotenes. Structure. The plants may be simple filamentous to bulky parenchymatous forms. Class 10, Rhodophyceae, also called red alga. Occurrence. Few forms are freshwater and other are marine. And pigments are chromatophores are blue like containing phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. cyanine. Reserve food is Floridian starch. And last not the least, class Myxophyceae, or we call Cyanophycean class, which contains blue-green algae, occur found in sea and freshwater pigments. Chlorophyll contains xanthophyll and phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Reserve food is sugar, glycogen. Reproduction, there is no sexual reproduction. Example, Oscillatoria and nostoc. Thank you, students.